Privacy settings. You can select what services you want to allow access to the vehicle data, including car position. You can change the level of your privacy by clicking on the privacy icon in the widget menu. Here you can select one of the 4 presets. With the Share My Position mode, all services are enabled and data shared with the customer portal and the app. With the Use My Position mode, the in-car services are functional, but position is not shared with the customer portal and the app. With the No Position Data mode, all services using location are disabled. With the Maximum Privacy mode, all services are disabled except for the legally required e-call function. If you want to disable only some of the individual services, this can be done in the settings. Please note that if you deactivate a certain service individually, then you will also need to activate it individually.